I'm Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney, and in today's video we're going to be talking to you about the kind of questions to ask in a Ccma case. Quite a few clients contact me and say, how do I prepare for cross-examination, or how do I go about giving my own testimony? What questions do I need to ask? Naturally, this depends on the type of case you have. However, the purpose of this video is to highlight some of the basic questions and basic information you need to know about questions to ask in a Ccma case or Ccma hearing. So let's get started with it. Write down in detail your story, exactly as it happened. You need to know your story in and out. You can't have any vague details. Date, time, place, witnesses, documents, you must have that written out. From there, write the other side story. What is it that they are alleging against you? What witnesses do they have? What documents do they have? What's their version compared to yours? Compare your version to theirs and see, okay, where are the differences? In the differences, you must ask questions. You must ask questions that prove your side is more true than the other side. And how do you do that? Let's say you have somebody who's testifying against you and who's actually lying on their testimony or not telling the real or the complete truth. Then you need to go deeper in those issues. When you have that witness under cross-examination, ask them for the detail regarding the dispute. What did you see? What time was it? Where was your focus at the time? What were you thinking at the time? Isn't it more possible that my version is true? Have you considered my version? Have you made any mistakes in your life? Could it be that you made a mistake right now when you were evaluating that evidence? If you have a written statement which contradicts their testimony, you can use that as well. That's a very powerful way to get somebody's testimony discredited. How you do that? You say, if they've come and testified about A, B, and C at the hearing, but you have evidence, written evidence of the opposite, then you can ask them very simple questions. Earlier on, you testified about A, B, and C. Isn't that true? They'll say yes. Then you're going to say, are you sure? They'll say, yes, I testified about that. Then you pull out your document. Then you say, can you identify this document? Whose signature is on the document? Or can you identify this message? Whose number is on the message? Isn't it your signature, your number? What does that message say? That message will contradict what they've said earlier on. So, two versions can't be right. Which one is the truth? What you've testified earlier or what you said here? And if they say what I've testified earlier, then why would you lie? Because what you're saying here is completely opposite to what you said earlier. How do we know that you're not lying now? These are the kind of questions that you need to go down with. And you have to be very firm. There's a time to be friendly and polite to people. Cross-examination is not one of those times. Those are the times you need to stand up for your rights and you need to tell the other person, I believe that you are trying to discredit me. I believe that you don't have the right facts against me. And now I'm going to take you to task for it. So, in summary and in recap of this video, prepare an outline of your testimony, prepare an outline of the other person's case. See where the differences are, attack the differences with questions. If you need help with cross-examination preparation or you need help with preparing for your case at the Ccma, click the link below and contact us. Book an appointment and we will be able to assist you. I look forward to speaking to you soon and good luck.